Hi boys and girls, this is math lesson number 1 and it's our last official math lessons 1 through 5 of the school year. So let's get started. We're going to do page 261 and 262 today. So looking at number 1, it says to draw a shape with your pattern block template, which we don't have. So you choose a shape that has two lines of symmetry. An example of one that does not have 2 lines of symmetry is a triangle. Remember, we can only go one way and have both sides be the same. We can't go this way. These 2 sides are not the same. So you choose a shape that has 2 lines of symmetry. You see Gretzky came to math? All right, so number 2 says circle 3/12 of the blue dots. So let's make the 12 blue dots. And we know when it says 3/12 that 12 is the total number, so we have 12 dots. We're going to circle 3. That's 3/12. But the question is, what fraction of dots is not circled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9/12 are not circled. So you're going to circle 9/12. But then it says write another name for that fraction. What's another way to say 9/12? Well, we could put our 12 dots into groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many are not shaded? This one, and this one. So it became 3/4. We turned our 12 dots into 4 groups of dots. All right, number 3 says use your calculator, but I don't want you to use a calculator. I want you to add up those amounts of money. Number 4 says that 5 nickels equals 1/4. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And so if I have 3/4, that's 75 cents. How many nickels would it take to make 75 cents? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. It would take 15 nickels. So in the nickel column, you're going to put a 15. In the quarter column, they have 3. So if I have 4/4, that's $1. How many nickels is it going to take to make $1? Okay. Then they go the other way. 30 nickels is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh wait, yeah, 30 nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 would be 6 cents. 6 nickels make 30 cents. How many quarters on the other side? All right, number 5, you should be fine, and number 6, you should be fine. Let's look at the other side. Number 1, you're filling in the diagram. 6 lily pads. It's a multiplication story with 3 frogs on each lily pad. So 6 lilies with 3 frogs each. And then fill out the diagram. Number 2, you can draw an array. How many dots in all? Number 3 is a division story. 17 magazines are shared by 5 children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how do you make everyone get an equal number of magazines, and are there any left over? Well, I can tell you that 5 goes into 15 equally. 5, 10, 15. So I'm going to do that. 5, 10, 15. So every child gets 5 magazines, but then there are magazines left over. Okay, number 4 is multiplication. 8 books on a shelf, and there are 4 shelves. So 4 groups of 8 books. Number 5, answer the question about the array. And number 6, you're going to divide 11 balloons into 4 children. How many balloons do they all get? And then how many are left over?